welcome to Zaid Tech Mind. In this video, we are going to see how to actually use Python Turtle, and I'm going to teach you the basic of Python Turtle, and in the other videos I will teach you more about it. So first we'll see how to actually install Python Turtle on your device. So you need a code editor, create a file and all that. I have guided on my video in how to actually set up Python for Visual Studio Code. So check out that video first and come to this video. So open your code editor and open your terminal also, and you will need to download your Python Turtle, right? So for that, what you have to do is you have to go open your web browser. In that, search like install Python Turtle, and here you will have this link, Python Turtle, the first link that you get, right? Just click on that and you have this code here, right? Pip install Python Turtle. Just copy that code, like copy to your clipboard, and just come to Visual Studio Code again. Okay, and next what you will do is you go to your terminal and paste that code and just press enter. That's what you have to do. I already have Python Turtle on my device, so I don't need to download it. So first we will make a shape. Which shape? Square, right? So we will make the square shape. For that, I will be commenting a line in telling that it's a square shape, like square. And then first we have to import our turtle, right? So I will import my turtle, and then I have to give a value, like I need a variable, right? So that variable t will be equal to turtle.turtle with brackets. Okay, you don't forget to enter those brackets because they are important. And then we have to fill also our square with a color. So we use this term, term called fill color, like t.fill_color. T is equal to turtle.turtle. Okay, so t.fill_color is equal to red. Don't forget to put those strings. Inside those strings you have to put your color. It could be red, blue. Just type in your color: red, blue, purple, pink, anything, but I will choose red. And next we have to begin our filling, right? It's just not gonna fill the color with red. It's gonna begin our fill, like it's gonna start filling the square. And next we need a loop, like 4 times loop for creating a square, right? Drawing a square. So I'll take for I in range 4 times. And next I'll say to the Python, do this 4 times. So our turtle should go forward 4 times. So t.forward 100. 100 means the how long it actually travels. It's like that, right? And then t.right at 90 degree. Okay, and next it's gonna do that 4 times, right? Again t.end fill. So it's gonna end filling, it's gonna begin filling, and it's gonna end filling. That's it. And then turtle.done, and it's going to stop the process. And this is all what you need for doing. This is the basic of Python. This is so much basic of the Python Turtle, right? So let's try running this code. Press the run Python file and wait for it to start doing it. Do you see this? It started going 100, turned 90 degree, and then 100, like that, right? it's going to turn right at 90-degree angle. That's it. Okay. And this is the basic of Python turtle, guys. So thank you so much for watching this video. And in the other tell me what should I do next in those other videos that I'm going to do. So practice this very well so you get to know how to actually use Python turtle. This is just the basic of Python turtle, guys. We can do much more. Like we can draw many things, like even your face, like Spider-Man, flowers, and 3D illusions. You must have seen it on YouTube. So bye guys. That's it for the video, and tata. Bye bye.